You filed your LLC, you got your EIN, you are feeling good. You're officially a business owner. But let me ask you something. Are you still running all your business money through your personal checking account? If the answer is yes, I need you to stop everything and watch this video, because that one mistake could completely destroy the legal protection your LLC is supposed to give you. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how to open a business bank account for your LLC step by step, what documents you need, how to pick the right bank, and the mistakes that trip up almost every new business owner. Stay with me. This is one of those videos that could literally save your business. So first, let's talk about why this matters so much. When you form an LLC, one of the biggest benefits you get is limited liability protection. That means your personal assets, your car, your savings, your home are supposed to be separate from your business debts and liabilities. But here's what most people don't realize. If you are mixing your personal and business money in the same account, a court can actually pierce the corporate veil. That's a legal term that basically means they treat your LLC as if it doesn't exist, and suddenly your personal assets are on the table. A dedicated business bank account isn't optional, it's the foundation that keeps your LLC's protection intact. It also makes tax filing significantly easier, helps you track expenses accurately, and it builds credibility with clients and vendors. If someone sees a payment going to a business name rather than a person's name, that instantly looks more professional. Section number 2, documents you will need. Alright, before you walk into a bank or start an online application, you need to have your documents ready. Nothing is worse than getting halfway through the process and realizing you are missing something. Here's what you will typically need. First, your EIN, your employer identification number. This is basically the social security number for your business. You get it from the IRS and it's completely free. If you haven't applied for one yet, you can do it online at irs.gov and get it at the same day. Second, your articles of organization. This is a document that proves your LLC was officially formed with the state. If you used a service like Northwest Registered Agent or ZenBusiness to form an LLC, they would have sent this to you once your filing was approved. Keep it in a safe place. You are going to need it more than once. Third, your LLC operating agreement. Now, not every bank asks you for this, but many do, especially for multi-member LLCs. Even if you are a single member LLC, having an operating agreement is a smart move. It shows that you are running your business like a real business. If you don't have one yet, platforms like Rocket Lawyer make it easy to generate one that's tailored to your state. Fourth, a government-issued photo ID. Your driver's license or passport works perfectly here. Pretty straightforward. And fifth, your business address and contact information. Some banks also ask you for your business license. This varies depending on industry and location. A quick tip: if you are a non-business resident who has formed a US-based LLC, some banks may require additional documentation such as an ITIN or a passport from your home country. It's always a good idea to call the bank ahead of time and confirm exactly what they need. Online banking platforms have become much more accessible for international founders, which is a huge plus. How to choose the right bank? Now, choosing the right bank is where a lot of people overthink, or worse, they overthink it and just go with whatever is closest to their house. Here are the key things you should consider. Fees. Some banks charge monthly maintenance fees, transaction fees, or minimum balance requirements. If you are just getting started and cash flow is tight, look for accounts with no monthly fees or low minimums. Many online banks offer zero-fee business accounts, which can be a game changer for new LLCs. Online and mobile banking features. In 2026, you need a bank that has a solid app and online platform. You should be able to send payment, deposit checks, categorize transactions, and manage your money without having to visit a physical branch every time. Integration with accounting tools. If you are using software like QuickBooks, Wave, or Xero, Make sure your bank integrates smoothly. This is going to save you hours during tax season. Trust me on that. Customer support, when something goes wrong, and at some point something always does, you want a bank that's responsive and easy to reach. Check reviews, look at their support hours, and see if they offer dedicated business support lines. And finally, think about growth. Are you going to need a line of credit eventually? Business credit cards, merchant services? Choose a bank that can grow with you. It's a lot easier than switching banks later when your business scales up. Whether you go with a traditional bank like Chase or Bank of America, or an online option like Mercury or Relay, the best choice is the one that fits your specific business needs and stage. Step by step opening the account. Alright, you have got your documents and you have chosen your bank. Let's walk through the actual process. Step 1. Visit the bank's website or branch. Most banks let you start the application online, which is incredibly convenient. If you prefer in person, schedule an appointment so that you are not waiting around. Step 2. Select the type of business account. You will typically choose between a business checking account and a business savings account. For most LLCs, start with a business checking account. You can always add a savings account later once revenue starts flowing consistently. Step 3. Fill out the application. You will enter your LLC's legal name, your EIN, the state where your LLC was formed, the day of formation, your business address, and your ownership details. If you have multiple members, you may need each member's information. Step 4. Upload or present your documents. This is where articles of organization, EIN confirmation letter, operating agreement, and photo ID come in. Have digital copies ready if you are applying online. Step 5. Make your initial deposit. Some banks require a minimum opening deposit. This could be anywhere from $0 to a few $100s, depending on the institution. Check this beforehand so there are no surprises. Step 6. Set up online banking and your debit card. Once approved, activate your online access. Download the mobile app and order your business debit card. From this point forward, every single business transaction should go through this account. And that's it. The whole process can take as little as 15 to 30 minutes if you have everything prepared. Common mistakes to avoid. Before I let you go, let me share a few mistakes I see new LLCs owners make all the time. Mistake number 1. Using your personal account temporarily. There is no such thing as temporary when it comes to finances. The moment your LLC is formed, every business dollar should flow through a business account. Start clean from day 1. Mistake number 2. Not keeping clean records. A business bank account is only useful if you're actually using it properly. Don't pay personal expenses from your business account and don't deposit personal income into it. Keep it clean, keep it separate. Mistake number 3. Skipping the operating agreement. Even if your bank doesn't require it, having an operating agreement protects you. It defines ownership, outlines how decisions are made, and it strengthens the legitimacy of your LLC. Services like LegalZoom and Rocket Lawyer can help you create one quickly. And mistake number 4. Ignoring compliance after setup. Forming your LLC and opening a bank account is not the finish line. You still need to stay on top of annual reports, state filings, and registered agent renewals. If compliance feels overwhelming, companies like Harbor Compliance specialize in keeping your business in good standing so you don't accidentally fall behind. So there you have it, everything you need to open a business bank account for a LLC done right. Let me do a quick recap. Get your documents ready. That's your EIN, articles of organization, operating agreement, and photo ID. Choose a bank that fits your business needs. Walk through the application step by step, and most importantly, keep your personal and business finances completely separate from day 1. If you found this helpful, drop a like on this video. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more practical, no fluff business and LLC content. And if you have any question, leave a comment below. I read and respond to every single one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.